Hi guys, it's Barbie with Beach Life with Barbie, your everything coastal realtor. Thanks so much for being here with me this week. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please make sure to subscribe so every week you can see the videos on what it's like to live at the beach and how you can make living here your reality. This week, we're going to talk about dog parks at the beaches, and you can really see how much we love our dogs here. A lot of things to love about living at our beaches, but one of them is definitely how much we love our dogs. Rose Park Dog Park is in a residential area of Atlantic Beach. You don't have to have a membership. There is some playground and a soccer field across the street from the dog park, so your older kids can play while your pup has some time to roam around. BREWHOUND Dog Park, which is actually in Neptune Beach, is an amazing place. They have live music, they have food trucks, they put on activities and events. This park is a membership-based park, or you can pay for daily visits. Definitely go to their website and check out all their membership options. A lot of people find that is definitely the best way to go. So their puppers get to enjoy daily play sessions with their friends. Atlantic Beach Dog Park is also a membership-based park, but it is considerably less expensive at $50 for the year. They have some cool things at this park. We love the Fido Rent Station in case the pups get too messy. One thing to mention about this dog park is that there are no restrooms. So keep that in mind when you visit here at the Atlantic Beach Dog Park. So if you cruise on down the beach, might as well take the scenic route over here to PAWS Park. This park is in Jacksonville Beach, and it is also a membership park. And they have a lot of great things to offer here. They have some videos on YouTube, and I will link the videos in the descriptions below to these parks if you want to check them out. We also have a ton of other dog parks in Jacksonville, and at the end of the video, we'll kind of go through a few of them quickly if you wanted to check those out as well.
We love our puppers here at the beach. If you have dogs and you want a dog-friendly place to live, check out Atlantic Beach. If you need any help, you know what to do. Send me a comment below. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.